Hi everyone. For today's drawing, I drew a slice of cake and I want to incorporate different textures on this canvas. So I'll be using this modeling paste as well as this textured paste. These are different consistencies, so I want to see how they would both look on a canvas. And what I was thinking is letting these gumballs choose the color that I use for this drawing. So to start off, I'll be choosing a color for this part right here. So I'll go ahead and use yellow. And now the second color will be the middle section. And now this section right here will be alright, so I have my three colors, and I think I'll go ahead and choose two more colors, one for the top and one for the border. Alright, so the gumball machine chose, and I'll be using these colors for my drawing. So for the next step, I'll be using this textured paste and spreading it on the top. I did have a bit of green paint go at the top, but it won't matter since I'll go ahead and cover it with the paste. Now I'll go ahead and let this dry for about 2 days. After 2 days, this is how the textured paste dried. Next, I'll be using the modeling paste. This will act as a type of whip or icing on the cake. And for this process, I'm simply adding it on a flat surface, and then I'll be adding acrylic on it. This just makes it easier for me to mix. Some people do use like a cup or a bowl to mix it in, but I like using it in a flat surface so that way I make sure to mix all the acrylic paint with the paste. Next, I'm mixing in my acrylic paint with the modeling paste. And as you can see, I'm using a purple color here. So this is going against what the gumball machine chose in the beginning. But I do believe that the purple color will stand out better when the paste is dried. So that's why I'll be using this instead of red. And then I'll also be using this in the white section that I painted earlier. Next, I'm starting to decorate the cake painting. So as you can see here, I'm using the modeling paste at the top. And then I did feel like it was missing something. So I went ahead and used these polymer clay sprinkles. I also decided to use the purple modeling paste on the white section of the cake since I did feel like the texture was found only at the top of the cake, so I wanted to add more towards the middle. So here I'm simply spreading the modeling paste across, and I also figured that this would be a great area to also add in those fake sprinkles. I think that adding these fake sprinkles onto the middle of the cake makes the painting look even more realistic. So as you can see, I did end up using a purple color in the middle instead of the white color that the gumball chose. I did feel that the purple color was necessary in the middle as it matched the top of the cake and it made it look more like icing. I also decided to add the modeling paste around the top of the cake. I felt like this gave it a more of a cake look. And I also wanted to add more of the fake sprinkles at the top but wasn't sure how. So I think it came out perfect. And then here I'm just simply adding in the rest of the sprinkles. Currently have other artwork as well as handmade clay jewelry on my Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you liked anything, please feel free to comment and I'll be sure to drop a great discount code for you. This is how it turned out after 3 days of drying. As you can see, everything is staying on securely and I really like how the purple turned out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for even more art videos.